Hello, Master here. Pretty weak week, last couple weeks of tools, but got a couple items on the Mack truck. BOGO deal. You get the free nail brush, which is awesome. I've done this deal before. When you buy the HC3 made in USA industrial hand cleaner. Good stuff. And the brush is phenomenal. Keeps the hands nice and the nails. Friday we got the linesman's, another pair of the 57s. Now I've had these for a while, keep in the truck and use around the farm, and I tend to use these more than the 10-inch. I got the 10 inches, I don't know where they're at, the red handle ones, but they're pretty heavy and big. They're nice, but these come to be handier, and I like them so much, I picked them up in that fine hi-vis style. Very nice handles, very nice grip. One complaint. Now look at that. I'm going to turn the light on. Here's the old ones. Okay, they line up. You can see my scummy hands. Everything lines up, right? These are 2 years old. Brand new pair. I just got last week. Look at that. They don't close together. It might be kind of hard to see on camera, but there's a gap on the teeth. They don't close all the way together. I can grab a piece of paper and float it in between. To me, that's cheap. They don't really line up, and light shows through. Towards the bottom of the blades. So quality control is definitely a problem, but there's a gap in between there. They don't touch. There you go. You can see that. Here's a good pair that's old and used. The new pair doesn't touch. Some sort of issue. I don't know what to say about it, but for the price you pay for these, you'd think that they would be perfect. So let me grab a piece of paper and show you. Okay, they're closed on a piece of paper. Barely touching the teeth. That's kind of crappy, you know, for the $70 or whatever. There you go, you can see it better. And you can see the paper, see the white in the blade. Actually, no, the white is actually where the blade touches on the right. But towards the center and to the left, there's a gap in the blade. But it just pisses me off, you know. And if I grip them down, they're still like that. But if you take a good pair that was made right, because at first when I got these, I thought, oh, maybe they're supposed to have a gap because you're going to be grabbing bigger wire and stuff. But take the old used pair and you put the piece of paper in it. They hold. a lot better. Anyway, a little picky, but there's no gap on these. As you can see. And then the new ones, big old gap. So, I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know. Just shows them. I love the EDC world of tools nowadays. 44 ACFs and the channel locks 4.5s. You can see the difference there. The 44s are much nicer, but I've been carrying these around and they've been great. And they have the anti-rust clear coat on them, so they don't rust. They don't really line up because they have a lot of slack, but you can make them line up. But for the price, I like them, and they're made in USA. You can get these under the Channel Lock name, who makes them for Mac, for about 13 bucks, I think, on Amazon, if you're interested. Or you can buy these. I think they're 25 or 30 from the Mac truck. And the 44 ACFs, they're actually not too bad. I think they're about 38. I could be wrong. But anyway, just a short clip for you. Thanks for watching.